Hello, welcome to our channel. Here you will get all the latest breaking all over world. Today big breaking news: Belgium Grand Prix 2022. Red Bull win. Verstappen 125.52.894 time 26 point. Ferrari boss Jack Theories blaming no TD for team bad performance at 2022 Grand Prix. Verstappen cruises to Belgium Grand Prix victory. Power ranking a perfect 10 for Verstappen in Belgium. In Belgium Grand Prix, second number Red Bull S. Perez, third Chenez JR Ferrari, fourth coming position G. Russell Mercedes 12 point. In fifth position Alpine up Alonso. Belgium Grand Prix 2022 will take place over 44 laps of the 7.004 kilometer circuit. For the breaking news, please subscribe my channel.